This video will show how to work on an assignment, then copy and paste in order to complete your work and turn it in on Google Classroom. First of all, you look at the assignment. According to this one, we're going to click on the link and scroll to day 14 in the website. Then choose one article to explore and respond to one of the questions on the bottom of the article. So let's scroll to day 14. And let me make sure that I'm doing the right thing. At day 14, I have to respond to the questions at the end of the article. Below, continue the learning journey. Then choose one of the tasks to copy and paste to a Google Doc. And add your name and date to the answer. So here I am, day 14. I will choose this article. It's called Hot Wheels. And here we have a story about a little boy who is racing in a wheelchair. His name is Gabriel Mora. You read the article, look at the video here, continue reading, understand what the pictures are saying. Make sure you pay attention to those captions. This is a math lesson, so look at another video. Talks about decimals and fractions. It's all about comparing decimals. Then, when I get to the questions that require an answer, I will look at continue the learning journey. It tells, watch the video, wheelchair racer below, use what you learned about the wheelchair racing, and so on. But before I get to continue the learning journey, I have to complete these questions. Now you try it. So here, I copy these questions by clicking and dragging on the mouse all the way through these words. Then Ctrl C, that means copy. Ctrl C on the keyboard. Now I come back to the assignment, come over to the right where it says add or create. I click on it and the drop-down menu shows me docs. That's what I need, a Google Doc. That document will now load. And when I get to the page, I'll click on the page, then press Ctrl V on the keyboard. So if that doesn't work, okay, here it is. It happened. The words are on the page, but I need to put my name. So I click just in the beginning of those words, and I push it down by pressing Enter on the keyboard. Come back up to the top. I type my name, tab over for the date. You don't have to make the lines, you just actually put the date. Then I solve the problems, answer those questions. And once I know that everything is done, I come up to the top right over here and I click Turn In. Now my answer is complete. I turned it in. Everything is fine. And that task is done.